Good morning, everybody. For the continent of South America, we are going to read The Rainforest Grew All Around. You might recognize this song from The Green Grass Grew All Around. On the ground there fell a seed, the fluffiest seed that you ever did see. So there's that seed. It's in the rainforest. There are lots of rainforests in South America. The seed on the ground and the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. You can help me with that part. The rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. And then there's some facts about the rainforest that we'll read. Between 70 and 100 inches of rain fall in the Amazon rainforest each year. The Amazon River is over 4,000 miles long and rises over 40 feet during the rainy season, just because of the rain. A rainforest receives an average of at least 60 inches of rain per year. That is a lot of rain. Look at all those animals. And from the seed there grew a tree, the tallest tree that you ever did see. The tree from the seed and the seed from the ground, and the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. Kapok trees can grow between 150 and 200 feet, as tall as a 15 to 20 story building. Kapoks, also called ceiba or silk cotton trees, grow in Africa, Central, and South America. Look at how tall that tree would be. And in the tree there lay a cat, the spottiest cat that you ever did see. What kind of cat do you think it's going to be? The cat in the tree, and the tree from the seed, and the seed in the ground, and the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. Did you guess jaguar? It's a jaguar. Jaguar spots help them to hide in the rainforest shadows. They spend their days dozing on tree branches and their nights hunting. What is the difference between jaguar spots and cheetah's spots? Does anybody know? I think that jaguars are open. They're like circles, and cheetahs are filled in. If anybody knows for sure, let me know. And near the cat there was a vine, the curliest vine that you ever did see. The vine near the cat in the tree, and the tree from the seed, and the seed in the ground. And the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. Vines wrap around and climb the trees looking for sunlight. Thick woody vines called lianas are usually as thick as an adult's arm. I did not know that. They're called lianas. And by the vine there was a snake, the greenest snake that you ever did see. The snake by the vine, and the vine near the cat in the tree, and the tree from the seed, and the seed in the ground. And the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. So there's a snake. It is an emerald tree boa. Emerald tree boas curl up in the vines and live high in the trees. They have really long teeth to help them catch and hold their prey. Emerald tree boas. And near the ant, oh, I skipped. Sorry. And by the snake there crawled an ant, the busiest ant that you ever did see. The ant by the snake, and the snake by the vine, and the vine near the cat in the tree, and the tree from the seed, and the seed in the ground. And the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. Leaf cutter ants climb high into the trees and clip off leaves. Ants pick up, let's see if I can show you while I'm reading this. Ants pick up and carry the leaves to a kind of garden in their underground nests. They eat the fungi that grows off of the leaves. the dead leaves. So they cut pieces of leaves, they bring them to their nest, the leaves rot, and they eat the fungi, the mold that grows on the leaves. And near the ant, there was a sloth, the slowest sloth that you ever did see. Mr. Brendan's getting a call. The sloth near the ant, and the ant by the snake, and the snake by the vine, and the vine near the cat, and the cat in the tree, and the tree from the seed, and the seed in the ground. And the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. Look at that sloth. Sloths are very popular right now. They are very, very slow. Sloths hang upside down in the trees and move very slowly. Sloth moths live in sloth fur. When sloths climb down the tree to go to the bathroom, the moths jump out, lay eggs in the droppings, and then jump back on the fur for the ride back up the tree. Interesting. So, sloths have moths that live on them. And by the sloth there was a plant, the prettiest plant that you ever did see. The plant by the sloth, and the sloth near the ant, and the ant by the snake, and the snake by the vine, and the vine near the cat, and the cat in the tree, and the tree from the seed, and the seed in the ground. And the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. So there's that plant. Bromeliads can grow on other plants but do not hurt the parent plants. Most have round clusters of leaves that catch rain and make little ponds. Pineapples are bromeliads that grow in the ground. And in the plant there was a frog, the brightest frog that you ever did see. Does anybody know what kind of frog is in the rainforest? The frog in the plant by the sloth, and the sloth near the ant by the snake, and the snake by the vine near the cat in the tree, and the tree from the seed in the ground. And the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. It is this frog. Does anybody know what that frog is called? It is a poison dart frog. Is that a frog that you would want to meet? Probably not. Female poison dart frogs lay their eggs in a safe place to hatch, under a leaf. After hatching, the males carry the tadpoles to separate bromeliad ponds so that each one will have enough to eat. If something happens to one tadpole, another tadpole may be safe in a different pond. So each tadpole has to go to a different spot. And by the frog there sat a bird, the funniest bird that you ever did see. What kind of bird do you think it is? The bird by the frog, and the plant by the sloth, and the sloth near the ant by the snake, and the snake by the vine near the cat in the tree, and the tree from the seed in the ground. And the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. What kind of bird is that? It's a toucan. Toucans use their large beak to pluck fruit from trees. They also eat bugs, small lizards, and the eggs and chicks of other birds. Toucans. And near the bird there hung a bat, the sleepiest bat that you ever did see. The bat near the bird, and the bird by the frog, and the plant by the sloth, and the sloth near the ant by the snake, and the snake by the vine near the cat in the tree from the seed, and the seed from the ground. I almost did it in one breath. And the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. Bats hang upside down just like the sloths. There's the bat. Fruit and nectar feeding bats are important to the survival of the rainforest because they help pollinate flowers and spread the seeds of trees and plants. Fruit bats find the fruit and flowers by sight, smell, and echolocation. They send out very high-pitched noises and listen to the sounds bouncing back. They know where things are by the sound, so they don't see very well, but they use their ears. They send out a high-pitched sound. When it comes back, they know how far away things are. Bats are the only mammals that fly. Just like other mammals, they have hair and not feathers. Their wings are their hands and have digits, just like our fingers, including the thumbs. And by the bat there was a pod, the highest pod that you ever did see. The pod by the bat, and the bat near the bird, and the bird by the frog, and the frog and the plant, and the plant by the sloth, and the sloth near the ant, and the ant by the snake, and the snake by the vine, and the vine near the cat, and the cat and the tree from the seed, and the seed in the ground. And the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. The flowers on the kapok tree turned into large hard pods that burst open. Tiny little seeds inside the pods are covered with white fluff called kapok. The winds blow the fluff and the seeds off to make new trees. And from the pod there blew a seed, the fluffiest seed that you ever did see. And what do you think is going to happen to that seed? It's going to plant itself in that rainforest and grow another tree. The seed from the pod, and the pod by the bat, and the bat near the bird, and the bird by the frog, and the frog and the plant by the sloth, and the sloth near the ant, and the ant by the snake, and the snake by the vine, and the vine near the cat and the tree from the seed, and the seed in the ground. And the rainforest grew all around, and the rainforest grew all around. There's all those animals and plants. So here it talks about adaptations help animals live in their habitat to get food and water, to protect themselves from predators, to survive weather, and even help them to make their homes. Can you match the animals to their adaptations that help them live in the rainforest? Okay, so which one of these animals, I'm going to get really close so I can read it, maybe backwards. Which one of these animals, their spots help them hide? You point to it. Think a jaguar. These mammals have wings to fly. Bat. Their green coloring helps them to hide in the leaves. Which one's green coloring helps them to hide in the leaves? Probably that emerald tree boa. Yeah. Curved claws help them hold on to tree branches. Which one uses claws to hold on to tree branches? The sloth. Bright colors warn other animals of poison. Which one has bright colors to say I'm poisonous? The poison dart frog, that's right. Okay, this one says large beaks and flexible necks help them pick fruit from the trees. Which animal here has a large beak and a flexible neck to eat fruit? The toucan. Fake eyes confuse would-be predators. Oh, we didn't talk about this one. Look at this picture, and which one has fake eyes? I think it's that butterfly right there. It's called an owl butterfly. And so it makes it look like a bigger animal than it is. They use their strong jaws to cut leaves. Which one uses their strong jaws to cut leaves? It's the leaf cutter ant. That was fun. Thank you for reading this book with me. There is a recipe here for rainforest cookies. I am going to share this on Seesaw, and if anyone makes it, I would love to hear how it tastes. I hope you enjoyed this book about the rainforest. See you later. Bye.